How to active followers option on your Facebook. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook on your phone. Now, you want to tap on the menu that is on the bottom right corner. After that, you want to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here again, you want to go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, you need to scroll down Audience and Visibility. Now, scroll down and tap on How People Find You and Contact You. Here, you need to put all of them on only me or friends to friends. You have to avoid putting it to everyone. After you've done that, you want to go back. Now, you want to scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on Followers and Public Content. You can just go ahead and tap on it. Now, you need to put these all on everyone or friends. You cannot put this on only me. You have to put this in public. Every post should be in public. So after you've done that, you want to go back by tapping on the arrow button on the top left corner. Now in the menu, you will need to go on Profile. Now you need to tap on the three buttons on the top right corner. Here you need to tap on View As and you will see how people will see your profile without following you. So here you can see follow button, and that is how you can active followers option on your Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.